Are you looking for a simple way to add a caption or subtitle to your video? This video is for you. In this video, I will show you the simplest way that you can do to add captions or subtitle to your video. Okay, so let's get started now. We are going to use UCut to achieve that. This is UCut over here. Click on it, enter the app. If you don't have the app, go to Play Store to download it. The name is UCut, okay? So click on the plus icon, then click on new project. So I'll be using this video. So this is it. This is the video I want to use.
For this new month, I really want people to benefit this amazing AI training course. I'll be giving another discount valid for only 2 days. For serious people only. So take the advantage now with 1K only. Don't miss.
Okay, so this is the video I want to add a subtitle or captions to, okay? These are the tools up here, okay? You can trim the video, you can add a music, filter, effect, text, stickers, pip and all that thing, okay? But that is not what we are here to do. We are here to add a captions, okay? So slide to the left, then this is caption. You click on it, then don't worry, it's free, okay? We are going to do that free. It will not 1 minute till having that ad. So if you just watch it for 1 minute, sometimes it takes 5 seconds. Like this one take only 5 seconds, okay? And the class has been generated. So this is it.
For this new month, I really benefit this amazing training. Giving another valid for only 2 days. Serious people only. So take the advantage now.
Okay, so any part that you see that is not what you actually said in the video, you can edit it, okay? Like this part, 1K. The 1K is correct here, but this is not the how I want it to be. So if you want to edit it, click on it, then click on edit. Then go to the part that you want to delete it and input the right one, okay? So can you see, it's so simple. So this is the simplest method that you can use to add subtitle or captions to your video, okay? So this is very simple. This is the simplest method that you can find out there. Okay, so if you found value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification for more content tips like this, okay? So see you in the next video.
For this new month, I really want people to benefit this amazing AI training course. I'll be giving another discount valid for only 2 days. For serious people only. So take the advantage now with 1K only. Don't miss.